Hey, so this is Ryan Edens again. I am going to share my theory and my hypothesis with you regarding school shootings. I'm going to share a little information um, from my perspective why I believe school shootings happen, and also then I'm going to answer the question why what I think as the school social worker we could do to prevent further school shootings. First and foremost, my theory states that if school children shoot each other, it's because most suffer from some form of mental health illness that goes untreated. And in general, our next generation shares extreme hypersensitivity to media, games, TV, and gun exposure within America. If this is correct, then I would observe people who are mentally ill and suffer from extreme depression and manic episodes who have been exposed to the accessibility of guns and also years of violence through TV shows, video games, and other forms of mainstream media. They would be more likely to shoot other children. Next, I think that in our school, if we were able to identify these mentally ill students who might be shooting prone, we'd be able to do so through constant and consistent observation. I think that if teachers had some type of an observation log, noting any discrepancies and immediately forwarding these students to further clinical observation, I think that we'd be able to stop the school shooting. So if a teacher's seen a kid acting kind of weird, maybe his attendance was a little up and down, anything outside of the normal, send him to the school counselor, school social worker, the school principal for further questioning and observation and intervention. I think that if we were more on top of these behaviors, we would stop the school shootings. If you look at school shootings that have happened in the past, they all kind of share some of the same behaviors. A lot of the same behaviors were observed in these same children. Obsession with video games, attendance got kind of weird, kind of the shy out kid. I think that if we intervened, as we've seen these happening as school administration, we would stop the school shootings. That's all.